So we'll solve this practice numerical for a SLR parser. The first step in the construction of the parser is to write the augmented grammar. So the augmented grammar starts by introducing a new rule. S dash tends to dot of the starting state. Since there is dot of capital S, we now have to add the production rules corresponding to capital S, and the dot will be placed at the initial position as nothing has been processed. Now see dot of capital A, so we will add the production rules corresponding to capital A. Then there is dot of capital B, so we'll add the rules corresponding to capital B. Okay, dot of A, nothing has to be done. Dot of PC, nothing has to be done. Dot of small b, nothing has to be done. B, there is dot of capital A. So we have already added capital A production rules here, so we need not do anything. So if you observe here, it is not necessary that the starting state will contain all the production rules which are specified in the grammar. Okay, so it will contain only those which are part of closure of the production rule which we have introduced. Okay, now we will process capital S, capital A, capital B, small a, small p, small b. Now this A should be processed when we process the capital A here, since this will be a deterministic approach. We should have only one outgoing edge for a particular symbol. So continuing it from S, we have S dash tends to S dot, and there is no other production from which we move ahead of S, so this will be I1. Next we proceed by capital A, so moving the dot one place ahead. There is one more production rule from which capital A is being processed, so this rule should also be a part of this state. Okay, now go to is done. Now we apply closure here. It is dot of small a, nothing needs to be added, but now we have dot of capital C. So we have to add the rules of capital C, but from where? From the grammar which is given. This is small c, and C tends to epsilon will be written as C tends to dot. So this is I2. So this is processed, and this is processed. This goes out of sequence, but since A is being processed, all the A rules should go here. So you need not process this again. Moreover, you cannot change the sequence here. After S, you should have B rule, and then only you have to check for the presence of non-terminal after dot. Okay, now S tends to B dot B, and no rules to be added. This will be I3. Now process small a. And similarly, I'll process the other states and write the answer. So these will be the states after processing I0 completely. Next, I1 is already processed. We will now process I2. So this will be your answer after processing I2. C tends to dot is not processed further. We have 9 states. Then we'll process B of I3. Next, I4 is already processed, so we'll go to I5 and process capital C, small c. This is already done. I6 is complete. Then we'll go to I7, which is done. I8 is done. I9 is done. So after complete parsing or after complete construction, we will have 11 states. Now we'll go ahead and construct the parsing table. So to construct the parsing table, we first have to number the production rules. So just sequentially number the production rules here. So we have 8 production rules, and we also have to compute the follow corresponding to all the non-terminals. So this is the answer for follow. This will require during construction of the table. So now I'll give you the answer for the table. So these are the entries till I2, but if you observe, I2 here has a production rule which has ended. The production number for C tends to epsilon is 8, so we'll write R8. Okay, so corresponding to C tends to epsilon, we have to write R8, but where to write that? You have to write that in follow of C, and if you see follow of C is ACB. So in A, C and B we have to write R8. Okay, so if you observe here, there are 2 entries which are created here in the same cell. So whatever be the entries of the remaining table, you have to write that this is not an SLR grammar, and hence string parsing is not possible. That is, this grammar cannot be parsed by SLR parser, and probably we'll have to look for some other parsing technique to parse this grammar. But still you have to complete this table and give the answer. So I'll give the answer for the table, you all can check that. This is the complete parsing table for the numerical.